So the purpose of the event today was 2 years ago we did a survey of all of our partners, and one of the things that came back from that survey was more professional development. Part of the goal of Town and Gown is to not just do the cultural activities that we normally do, which are wonderful, but to also provide a little bit more for our partners, and professional development is one way that we can do that. I hope that they take away a better sense of what a millennial truly is, not the stereotype that the public gives us, but what they truly are and how we can better embrace them in the workplace, but also how they can embrace the 4 generations that are currently in the workplace. I think that's equally as important as the large generation, the millennial generation coming into the workplace.
I really enjoyed the opportunity to provide this presentation on millennials in the workplace, and we hope that the companies and organizations here gain a better understanding of not only the millennial generation, but the other generations that are in the workplace, which we believe will equip them with better engaging millennials and hopefully maximizing the impact of this great generation inside the workforce.
He has dealt so much with millennials through his personal background and through what he does as a mayor. So he said that his 2 largest workforces, which would be the police and firemen, I think he said it was 210 employees, most of those people fall into the millennial category. So his educational background, studying that he's done on this subject, plus just his everyday activities with this age group, I think gives him a great background to be able to provide this workshop.
I think it's going to help the businesses and industries and municipalities and everyone who employs people to work with them and for them to better understand what the new generation is looking like.
The millennial generation is roughly 40 to 45% of the current workforce, so it's critical that business owners really understand this generation as they continue to grow into their businesses so they can best engage them as leaders and workers. And it's great for the millennials because they can learn about other generations and develop just a greater appreciation of each other, which I think builds more cohesiveness and a stronger team, which we hope leads to more profit.